Cracked bumper? No mechanic? No problem. Let's fix it from your driveway with tools you already own. What if a broken bumper could be fixed at home in under $50? From New York to Nairobi, many car owners delay bumper fixes due to cost, but this DIY is a game changer. Assess the damage like a pro. Walk around your car and check for hidden splits. Use a flashlight to inspect behind the bumper. Check if clips or brackets are also broken. Determine if it's a cosmetic or structural crack. Viewers feel empowered by Step 1 clarity. You might think it's just a scratch until you look closer. Remove the bumper safely. Use a flathead screwdriver to pop out plastic pins. Unscrew bolts usually found in wheel wells. Disconnect fog lights or sensors if applicable. Gently pull bumper off without bending. In Germany or Australia, most cars use quartz bowls, not fillers. Clean the area thoroughly. Wash with soap and water. Use isopropyl alcohol to remove oils. Dry completely with microfiber cloth. Sand slightly with 400 grit to prep for bond. Most bumper fixes fail not because of glue, but because of dirt. Sand the crack edges. Use 80120 grit to widen crack slightly. Round out sharp edges so resin can hold. Sand at least 2 inches beyond the crack. Clean sanding dust with tack cloth. Apply backside reinforcement. Flip bumper over. Work from the inside first. Cut mesh or fiberglass sheet to fit. Use plastic weld epoxy or resin plus hardener. Press reinforcement into place with roller. Viewers realize professional grade results can be DIY. Mix and apply plastic weld epoxy. Follow instructions carefully. Some cure fast. Mix on cardboard using a popsicle stick. Apply to crack and surrounding area. Use clamps or tape to hold until set. Let it cure properly. Follow time guidelines, usually 2 to 6 hours. Avoid moving or flexing bumper during cure. Keep in shaded area to prevent bubbling. The waiting game. Don't rush it or redo it. Sand the repaired area smooth. Start with 120 grit. Move to 320 grit. Wet sand with 600 grit for smoothness. Feel with your hand, not just your eyes. Wipe clean between grit changes. Apply body filler if needed for deep cracks or surface gaps. Mix and spread thin layers. Don't glob it. Let dry and sand between coats. Prime the area. Use plastic safe primer only. Spray 2-3 thin coats, letting each dry. Sand with 1000 to 1500 grit between coats. Final wipe with tack cloth. Color match the paint. Use Cars bin or code on door jamb to get the exact color. Buy spray can from auto parts store or online. Test spray on cardboard first. UK or Canada cars often list color codes inside glove box. From cracked mess to paint-ready canvas. You didn't just fix a bumper, you learned a life skill. If you learned something today, smash that like button. It helps small creators grow. Comment, DIY safe, if you tried this on your own ride. Don't forget to subscribe for more budget car rescue tutorials every week.